Hello everyone, we get to see Keke performing her new album for the first time, and it was amazing. For those that were there on the 4th of July, can witness that the performance was amazing and the song was emotional. You could feel each tone of her, and they called her the new J-Lo of this generation, and she was like, and not, but I really like her. So definitely the performance was extremely amazing, and the fireworks had to pop in the sky. So definitely comment below how you had this performance. Are all screaming Keke Keke as she got to perform her first performance, saying unless it's you. So definitely Keke Prama had to give their fans a wonderful show. Some of the comments: my song, has anyone told you you are the black J-Lo of our time? And no, but I love her. This song makes me think of my late husband. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's our pop star queen. Others are saying, I saw this for you when you were jumping, roping, and spelling, girl. You are wonderful. The performance was amazing. Others are like, KK sounded great. She's absolutely gifted and talented, absolutely deserving of entertainer of the year. Keke is my entertainer daughter in my head.